Yep. Okay. So this was on develop the user interface for the hottest deal tab. So within this, I have to create this deals ending today, or I create a new one.
Uh, I didn't get that. You want you're asking that you what is you asking, Sarvagan?
Now, so the first thing which I created was like the deals, that is hottest deals. So within that, so it should be deals ending today.
Okay. So
I
yeah,
should
within
edit
that.
this and
So
go ahead.
yeah, you can if you think that user story can be broken down into further, then you broke down, and you guys can Akash, Rupesh, you guys can chime in. You can ask question and help that breakdown user story. If you guys think that user story is broken down, tell him. Okay, and what would be the so it's a discussion.
Okay, creator, that is whenever we hit kind of the hottest deal tab. So one of the icon which there is one of the icon which should show is like
You can
tab
right.
should be there. Deal that. Yeah.
One thing you can do, you can open that like Best Buy website and show that what is like current, like this is what current and this is what expected. Then tell the like this is as it stays current state and future state is something should be like what functionality they are looking in future.
Yeah. So that's what. So like this should be a new one. So like deals of day. So like so I'll be creating one more. So like it should be deals of the day. Okay, so whenever I should whenever the state is like deal of the day has been clicked. Oh my God. Yeah. So now the deal of the day should be say like the product which was there in there for 30 days should be the deal of the day. So like after completing the 30th day, so the deal should be popping up in the deal of the day. Whenever I click it, so it should carry all this whichever is the earlier one. So like if a couple of things have been moved in a particular day, after 30 days, let us assume five products have moved to the store for within 30 days, and out of five, only two has been sold and three is still there. So what happens? The three has to be on this. It has to pop up on this particular page, so that it has a particular picture wise, say like alphabetically, it should be arranged so that nobody gets confusion. It should not be overlapping another. It is actually understood by a particular web developer, but so we pretend that it's a basic development which information given from us. So we are doing it in an alphabetic order so that it goes on alpha. So like if it is an say like starts with what do you call it as somewhere a computer, so C should be the first, and if it is a laptop, it starts with L should be in the next one. So that should be there. And what is the deal? So let's say like how much it is going to be off. So what was the previous price and what was the new price should be there, and the availability in the store has to be checked. So I'm going to what I have done previously is was like I did it along with the same whenever I click a deal, it goes to the hottest deals. So I did all those things in this one itself, but now I'm going to create a deal of the day separately. So like so if you look at my user cases, I'll just show you the previous user cases. So you can just see, say like the product in the stores more than 30 days. The you can just check on the categories. Say like available on the store's location has to be put, and acceptance criteria. The hottest deal tab should drop down of deals tab. So this is plainly for the hottest deal which comes. So now the deal of the day should be, say like it keeps on rotating. Say like, so every day a deal has to be changed. So that's why we have to create in such a way that it has to be separate a story which has to be created. So I'll create a story then. So we are going to create a deal of days, the particular current day. So I'm just checking what the current status is, like how it is designed. So I'm just going to add up a few things on it. So the summary should be best others. We are making a project for Best Buy. So then the summary should be develop. I'm going to develop the UI for user interface for the deal of the day. So here, so we have to decide. So like what and all should be there. So I'm just clearing it. Select the scope of the story is to develop UI for the deal of the day. The UI should consist the details about the following.
Hey guys, are you guys still there?
Yeah, yeah, I'm there. I'm just. Oh, so you're not watching it. So like, so I'm just. I keep on typing it. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So I'll just.
So
I'm
I'm
just type. I'll finish typing and just read out. Okay.
Oh, okay. So I'm driving right now. That's why.
So again, you can think out loud means like whatever you are typing. So because you don't want other people that are sitting down there or
Okay.
attending the meeting to be just like blank. So whatever you are writing or whatever you are thinking, just like call it out. That is we call it like thinking out loud.
All right. All right. I'll do that. I'll do that.
Okay.
Okay, so I've written down the scope of the story, so like the descriptions, so like the UI should consist of the following details. So it comes on my mind, so after seeing that particular current state, so I'm just looking on those. I'm just thinking how to develop that into the future state. So that's why I've just given some kind of description the UI should carry. So like. The product should be product in the store which does not have any transaction for the last 30 days has to be displayed, and then it has to carry the original price and the offer price, because the people should not think that they are flashing the same same price and what is the difference between that. So that has to be shown, say like the original price and the offer price has to be displayed there itself. And the price I discussed earlier, select it should be in alphabetical order so that it doesn't overlap. And the pictures of the product should be displayed in the same size. It should not mismatch on the different size of laptop and different size of some of the mobiles, whichever comes. So I'm just going on the acceptance criteria now. So the acceptance criteria is nothing but, so like whatever which has been discussed as a description, which has to be supposed to be there. So like these are the notes. So like the product should have so the original price and the offer price. Then it should be in alphabetic order. Then uh, and should be displayed in the say the picture. The picture should be displayed. Picture displayed in same size. The product unsold for 30 days is display. Yeah. So here are so few more things I'm just coming in the mind. So like I'm just closing it up very faster. So like so that's why I'm just stopping here itself. So more of things are there in that. So like a couple of them we can add. So like such as uh, it has to be changed. That format has to be put in here. So like every day the order has to be changed. So like if the particular product is there on a particular day, it has to go off. And otherwise, if you think in a different way, so like the product which has major price reduction in percentage has to come up in the front. So that also can be added. Say like so if it is the change in price should be higher in percentage. If some laptop is being sold, so like if it has been bought for some 1,000 bucks and now the rates has been 30% discount and it is going to be 700 bucks, so that's the best deal. So that has to be in the top. So and it has to be there for only 1 day. So such and such kind of ideas also can be added whenever it's pops up in the mind. So I'm just closing it. So like whatever has come in recently in my mind, so I'm just adding it up. So this is it. So I've just created a few things on this deals of the day, so that 1 second. Oh, sorry. It's slow here. Yeah. Assigning it to myself. It's started creating, so I can assign it later. So here comes, which is that? Can anybody see that?
Yeah, we can see that. Akash and Rupesh, you guys are not participating.
Hey,
No,
so I
completely voice is my system is, I don't know. Hold on. Oh my god. Not this. Still. Is it created or anyone see that? Where is it?
What are you looking for?
Yeah. Okay. Scope over here. Yeah, here it is. So why it is not reflecting on those first seven? So like
I don't know if your screen's stuck or not. Can you try to go? I don't know. It's like frozen, I think.
now it is free. So I'm just able to see that 16. It's, yeah. Uh, Now what happens is like assigned to me, it's I'm not able to see. So where do I get that? How do I get jump into that? I just missed it by I couldn't assign it to me. So just I clicked the create button before that.
Go back to projects maybe.
Yeah, I got it. Then I have to edit once again.
it should be in different projects, so it should be the
No,
best buy,
no,
right?
it is there. It is there. It is there. I just I didn't click this assign to me block. Uh, yeah, then I just after that I just created it simply. So it went off.
I don't think so. You need to do that one. I always leave automatic or something just like that.
Is it now it has come on my page? So like if I do it on my dashboard, I will not be able to finding that. So sometimes what happens, I forgot this assigned to me, so it goes off. So then if you're assigning it, so you can easily view your user cases, whatever you have done it. Now I got it. Yep. So there is a say 16. Yep, that's mine. Yeah, Mohammed. Mohammed, I've just created this deal of the day description and the acceptance to case. Hello, Mohammed.
Yeah.
Yep, I've created that for the deal of the day. I've just created few things. So
Mhm.
on a short while, so like I'll just add some kind of things in my mind. So like, so a couple of them also I've told them. So like, so I want to create some kind of everyday switches has to be there on that one. That has to be created. So like, whenever 30 after 30 days, the product comes to the UI, and next day it should go off. So after that and all, I have not included in this. So I'll be including whenever I just update it. The main thing is that, so like after 24 hours, it should go back. The offer should not be available on the screen.
Yep, that's good. So still, like, now see, there is something that you need to, like, understand. Right now in the scope, you are mixing like acceptance criteria too. In the description, basically you have acceptance criteria too. Okay. So if you will see the story that you have on the screen, okay, so what exactly user wanna see? Not the details,
Uh,
what exactly
okay.
you will wanna see. So you as a user, I wanna see the product on like deal of the day. When I click on the deal of the day, I wanna see the product on deal of the day. Okay, so that is the user story, and the rest is the acceptance criteria. The product should be, all that should statement,
Okay.
or must statement, or those statements are acceptance criteria.
Okay. Sorry, I just jumped into that. Okay,
No, no,
right. So the
that,
all the yeah. Carry on.
that's how you learn. So makes sense. I let you do that. I was like, looking at, but that's what the reason. So you will, like, you did really good job. Okay, but the same, this is for all of you, that this is how you initially you might write it, like, wherever you want, but later on when you will go back, then you will clearly mention that story statement, as a user I want to see that, and then write the acceptance criteria. Okay.
Sure. Sure. Yep.
Rupesh, make sense?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And Akash, what about you?
So I have one question.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yep.
so the last time when we were doing the Best Buy, so when we write a user story, should we say as a user or as a seller, or
You that is like
how should we start?
that is the role persona, so if it is a seller, if it is a user, if it is a back end business, you can, say whatever the role it is.
Okay,
Yeah, the more specific the role, if you will say, it would be more helpful. But if you don't know the role, then as a user, definitely, you know
okay,
in this case, like, this is like as a customer. Okay, the user is basically customer
okay,
who is shopping online. So as a customer, when I go to deal of the day page, I would like to see the available items on the deal of the day. Okay, that is the user story. Okay, and then all is acceptance criteria. The product should be there like this, and all that. That is a acceptance criteria.
yeah, okay.
Okay, so Rupesh, you wanna go next?
Hey, I'm in my car right now, so I don't in my laptop. So do you mind if I go tomorrow?
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Already 7.
All right. So okay. All right, then I will end this call, and Akash, you can,
And please
yeah. Akash, you,
don't forget to send out. video
Yeah,
link.
go ahead.
Yeah,
Go
I
ahead,
will
Mohammed.
send you a link for this. And Akash, you should call me like in like half an hour. And Sarvagan,
Yeah.
in like if you can call me like maybe in 45 minutes, that will be great.
I'll do that somewhere around 8:15. I'll just call you back.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, I'll do
So
that.
you don't want me to call you, Muhammad?
Yeah, what you said, Rupesh?
So you didn't want me to call you?
No, you have your resume already.
No.
So
Yeah, I was just,
yeah, and definitely
I was just.
I want to talk to you too. So because we have to chart out your marketing plan, like so I want to talk to you
Yeah.
and check your availability when you are available and when you want to start and how much time you gonna spend for targeting.
Okay, sure.
Mhm.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Okay.